had the first-hand experience auditioning. What do you think will be your message to all aspiring housemates who would also want to try?
So if balak nyo mag-audition, hi po! So if balak nyo mag-audition, kailangan madami kayong time talaga. Kailangan, oo, may bawang kayong damit, pamaypay, tubig, lahat. Tapos, kailangan syempre, porsigido kayo kasi grabe yung oras na ilalaan nyo dito. Actually, nung nag-audition kami sa Novaliches, yeah, 2 days kami walang tulog straight, walang...
Stay there?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Pumila kami, 11 p.m., umuwi kami. 11 p.m. ng 27, umuwi kami 29 ng 12 a.m.
But you got the lucky news that
Yeah.
you will advance to gallery.
Yeah.
Right? So,
So,
if
ayun.
Big Brother is in front of you right now, Sophia, do you have any message for him?
Uy, ayaw mo pala ganapin